Okay, so we can start this session. Okay, so we can start this session. Um, it's just going to be feedback about the essays that you have submitted. So I'm going to go through each essay. That's what we're going to do in the next couple of classes also. Those who haven't submitted, please submit today. You see D1, I can see only 11 people have submitted the essay. So let's go through one by one. Is Bhavya available? Bhavya? Okay. Niveda available? Bhavya. Okay, hold on. Let me just open. How many words is this essay, Bhavya? Okay, so you need to limit it to 300. Please don't write more than 300 words. Okay, because that software itself won't allow you over 300 words. Okay. Uh, you didn't copy this from the internet. You wrote on your own, isn't it? Please don't do that because there is no point. In the actual exam, you are going to write on your own. So what is the point in copying from Google? Uh, don't do that, man. You have to practice. See, our class sessions over here are purely for practice. So if you don't write things of your own, then how will I give you feedback? It is pretty obvious, you know. Nobody can write like this. Only if you are a journalist or something like that, you can write sentences like this. You should personalize it. Make sure you write on your own. Okay. There is no point in copying. Hmm. Okay. Then Niveda available? Is Niveda there? Oh, hold on. Was this written by yourself or copied? Okay. When you see in the beginning, you need to give. See, I told you you need to divide into paragraphs. So for every paragraph, like you can see over here in the first itself, you need to give some space. Give a tab. Put a tab. Okay. Every paragraph is supposed to start with a tab. This two space bars like that. Don't put that. Use a tab. Okay. Well, you never say numerous information. You always use a lot of information. Okay. Yeah, never use numerous for information. See, you need to look at capitals, man. Suddenly hacking becomes a capital H. Here, capital P. Hackers are, these are all common nouns. Social media suddenly has a capital S over here. Education is a common noun. You need not capitalize that. Social media again over here, see, you have capitalized. So be careful about capitalization. Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty good, not a problem. I can give you 9 out of 10 for that. All right, next, Giri Priya available? Giri Priya, Naveen, are you there? No. Padmashri, Nitin Kumar, Padmashri available? Huh? Okay.
So,
This also looks like it's been copied from the internet. You haven't even changed. See, you haven't even changed the formatting over here.
that's only I got it, sir.
Rest of the stuff you have written on your own, is it?
Sir.
Are you sure?
Sir.
Okay, now this kind of headings that you have given, please do not use any headings in your essays. You are not
Okay,
supposed
sir.
to put any headings. And like I told the previous another girl, when you start a paragraph, use a tab, give some space, and then start.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, it seems pretty good. Not a problem. Okay. Nitin Kumar available? Okay. Hold on. You live near a railway track, huh? Okay. If you have written this on your own, it's a pretty good essay. If you have written this on your own, then it is a pretty good essay, I said. Reference is okay, but you frame sentences on your own. Don't just copy and paste. It's a pretty decent essay as such, but you guys need to put in some efforts and write on your own. Yeah, this kind of copying is not correct. Why can't you write an essay on social media? It's just a common thing. See, what I was expecting from your people, when you're talking about social media, write your personal experiences. When you guys use Facebook or you use Twitter or you use WhatsApp, what purpose you use them for, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, you can write on your own. Why do you need to copy from the internet for such a simple topic? That's why I gave you a very simple topic to start off. Hmm? Anyways, so please make sure that you do not copy from the internet. Yeah, okay. Next, Pavitra available? Is Pavitra there? Venkat, Rohit, are you available? Venkat, Rohit, Pooja, are you available? Pooja, this Pooja 12n at Gmail, that's your idea.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Mm, this looks pretty nice. Um, of course, like I said, you need to give space in when you start a paragraph. Okay. Mm, you need to have a look at subject verb agreement. Okay. Now, in this particular sentence, students consider these platforms. So, your platforms is your subject. So, you have used allows as a verb. Okay, so that is why word has underlined it in green. There is a subject verb agreement problem over there. Similarly, look at this social networking sites. When sites is plural, you need to use a have over here. Correct? Huh? Its major disadvantage. IT apostrophe S and ITS. What is the difference? You are talking about the major disadvantages of a social networking site, correct? So it has to be only ITS. If you put IT apostrophe S, it means it is. It's a short form for it is. So you need to know which one to use where. Okay, and a conclusion with a single statement is not acceptable. Please make sure that you write a small paragraph for that. Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty good. Looks like you've written it on your own. So without these mistakes, I would have given you 90, but I can give you 80 now. Is the other Pooja Shanmuganandam at Gmail? That one, no? Okay. No, you have written it, huh? I told you to type it, man. Please. Okay. No problem. But in the actual exam, you are supposed to type it in the computer. So you can practice the other. I hope you have downloaded that PowerPoint that I sent earlier. There are lots of topics there, so you can practice with those topics. How many words is this essay? Oh, see, where did you get all this information about the Carnegie Mellon University and all that stuff? From Google, no? No, you have written something. Somebody has analyzed 4,000 Carnegie Mellon students or whatever. Mm. But when you actually write the exam, you won't have all this information with you, correct? Yeah, so just write something that you already know. Don't mention some stuff which very difficult for a person to accept that this person has so much knowledge. Don't put any percentages. Don't put any particular figures of survey or anything like that. You can put majority, minority. If you think majority of people use Facebook, then just write that because that seems real. It doesn't look like you've taken stuff from everywhere, from some other source. It's your opinion. When you know that many people are using Facebook, you just need to mention that majority of people use Facebook. That's all. And please don't give headings like this. Conclusion. Okay, no paragraph should have heading. This introduction also you have given heading about this also. So please don't use all that. Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty good. What about third puja 91504 at Gmail? Available? Huh? Okay, hold on. See, again you have mentioned subheadings. Please don't use subheadings. When you write WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, these are all names of websites, correct? So you need to capitalize. Capital W, capital F. Okay. This looks like you have copied. You have written this on your own, huh? That I know, but I'm just asking you personally whether you wrote this on your own or you have copied from the internet. Mm. And even if you have copied, see this kind of bullets not allowed in essays. Please don't use bulleted uh, points. You have to write only paragraphs. Okay. So, and you have given 698 words for a 300 word essay. Mm. In the software itself, they will not allow you to write more than uh, 300 words. Software doesn't allow it. Okay. Anybody else from D1 who has submitted? Uh, Giri Priya, Naveen, anyone there? Pavitra, Venkat, Rohit, Naveen. Hold on. Okay. File could not be found. What happened? I can't open your file, man. Can you resubmit it? Hmm? Do it today evening. No problem. No problem. Anybody else there from D1? Those of you who are in D1 and you have not submitted, please submit it today. Okay, the next two classes, we will be having only this feedback session on your essay, personalized feedback. And please don't copy from the internet. Please do it on your own. Okay, what about D2? D2, wow, only 7 have submitted. Even better. Manikanteshwar, available? Ready? Hold on. Let me open. So you have written this on your own or you have copied from the internet? Hello, இது என்ன chat platform for you guys? Bolo bhai, what is this? It's a class. Mute your phones. You wrote on your own, huh? Okay. What is PM and CM? Oh, please mention that in detail. You need not have short forms. Okay. And when it comes to YouTube, please capitalize because these are proper nouns. For eyesight, you should not put capital E. Okay. And this conclusion paragraph is very short. You need to mention at least one or two more points. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Okay. Anyone else there? Rajesh, available? Pushpanjali? Rajesh, available? No. Okay. In many places, you have not put a space. See, after many, you need to put a space. See, Microsoft Word itself has underlined so many in your essay, man. There's so much red over there. Be careful about the capitalization. See, over here, V is not capitalized, etc. What is this? Two dots. It's just one dot. Okay. Don't put two dots for etc. See, again, you have not capitalized over here. This may affect. Effect or affect. AFFECT should be used. Effect is a noun, affect is a verb. Okay, so a lot of grammatical mistakes. Please be careful. Okay, right. Pushpanjali is available. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Social networking sites. Is it singular or plural? Sites வந்து singular-ஆ?
Plural, sir.
பின்ன ஹேஸ்ன்னு போட்டிருக்கீங்க. ஹாவ் போட வேண்டாமா? Be careful about subject verb agreement. Okay, otherwise the essay seems good. No problem. Give you an 80 for that. Okay, Renuka Devi. Are you there? Okay. Do not mention headings for paragraphs. Okay. I don't want this introduction impacting sites and all that. Okay, seems good. But if you have written on your own, then very well. But if you copied from the internet, please don't do so in the future. All right. Yeah. What about Reshma? Available? Huh? Reshma. Reshma is not there. Sangeeta Priya, are you available?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Renuka, please mute your phone. Please mute. 325 words is too much. Please limit it to 300 words. Okay. And it's pretty obvious you have copied a few points from the internet. Please don't do that. Cannot give feedback like this.
Okay, sir.
You have to write on your own. Give your personal examples, real time evidence, facts, everything should be something that you have already faced in life. Social networking is a pretty simple topic, so you can write on your own. Sure, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What about Sangeeta Priya 9417 at Gmail? Available, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, the single paragraph, huh? I asked you to put paragraphs, no?
Sir, I can't. So I have done it.
எதுமா? I can't hear you properly.
Sir, the captain பார்த்தேன் சார். அதில் இருந்த மாதிரி நான் அப்படியே அதை ரெஃபர் பண்ணி
பட் அதில் வந்து பேராகிராஃப்ஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பேராகிராஃப்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கான். ஸோ நீங்கள் ஒரே ஒரு சிங்கிள் பேராகிராஃப் தான் போட்டிருக்கீங்க. யூ நீட் டு புட் அட்லீஸ்ட் 3 paragraphs. One introduction, one body, and one conclusion. Minimum 3 paragraphs.
ஓகே.
Hmm. This also looks like it's been copied from the internet only. And this 30% of college administration. This 30%, 40% and all don't mention. Okay, just mention majority, minority like that. So it looks like it's your view.
Okay.
Hmm. So you shouldn't copy from the internet. Yeah.
Okay. Next time we want to.
Okay. The rest of you who haven't submitted it, please submit it today because this report goes to the placement department and the dean. I'm not sure what they're going to do with it, but you will get feedback regarding that. Those who haven't submitted the essay have to submit it today. Okay. Okay. So just hold on 1 second. Okay, so I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up this session for today. Okay. So everybody, please don't unmute your thing. I'm just going to call you according to your roll number only. So when your turn comes, just say that you're present and you can mute your phones again. Okay. Is Nidish? Are you there? Nidish not there? Nisha Banu? Nitish Kumar J? Nitish Kumar M? Niveda? Bhavani Prasad? Mohana Krishna? If you have finished giving your attendance, please put your phones on mute. Mohan Krishna not there. Prakash? Om Prakash. Shanmuga Srikanth. Venkat Naveen. Padma Shri.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾರ ಮಾದ ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ನಿತಿನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಶ್ರೀಲತಾ ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಪಿಚ್ಚಯ್ಯ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ಸಾಯಿ ಭಾವ್ಯ ವೆಂಕಟ್ ರೋಹಿತ್ ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಸಾಯಿ ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಗಿರಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ
Yes, sir.
ಕವಿತಾ
Yes, sir.
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ನವೀನ್ if you have finished giving your attendance please mute your phones. Monica, please mute your phone. Naveen available? No. Sai Krishna. Venkat Sai Krishna. Naveen available? Ah, okay. Venkat Sai Krishna? Not there. Pooja A. Pooja KS.
Yes, sir.
Pooja N. Pooja Bharati.
Yes, sir.
Pujita Reddy.
Present, sir.
Monica.
Present, sir.
Praveen V. Praveena.
Present, sir.
Okay. Preetish. Rajesh.
Present, sir.
Pushpanjali.
Present, sir.
Manikanteshwar Reddy. Lokesh, mute your phone. Lokesh, mute your phone. 228. Okay, ma'am. Right. 231. Manikanteshwar, not there. Then Guru Teja. Who's that, ma? Manikanta. Okay. Rahul. Rahul available? 232. Okay. What about Rahul? Is he there? Okay. Rajesh Kumar. Yar ba? Number? Okay.